3.
Go?
Yeah, go.
Oh,
That's
whoa.
what I'm talking about.
Trey practice all day for this.
Most playful face.
It's gross, man. People have shit dripping. Chuck, no time to be
Got
clean.
one piece down.
Damn, Sophio. No, that's why they call him the manimal. Look at that steam
Some
coming
blue
up.
cheese up. Good news for you.
You got the blue cheese one?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Is Trey still on piece 1?
A minute in, guys. A minute in.
Here, there's a napkin for your shirt there, buddy. You want one, Troy?
Swallow check. We don't need any vomiting. Chuck's giving him that stare.
Hold it and hold it.
That's what she said.
You're right.
The manimal.
I like how he's drinking beer. I mean,
Right.
like,
No, that's gonna help.
water
it
would
down.
be water would be the ideal.
You're just toying with me right now.
It's a tough part. Solid cheese.
This is the tough part.
I don't know if he's marking me for later.
Got a crust left.
A big crust.
How much Trey got left?
A piece.
A piece with all the toppings of the other piece.
That's not. I'm not worried about that.
No, yeah, you better worry about it. That's
Chuck, you
part
got less than 30 seconds. You got 25 seconds to beat 4 minutes.
Can't agree with that.
Oh, God. Look.
See a little crumble on that side of
Oh,
the plate.
man.
3 minutes and 53 seconds.
This is my hair.